Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to export videos for YouTube SNS media. Let's begin! Let's start! If you want to export videos for SNS such as YouTube or Twitter, you can easily set the export settings because every preset has been prepared. However, there is no preset for square or vertical videos, so you have to set the settings yourself. File, Export, select Media. Export Settings window is displayed. Format, select H.264. Presets for SNS such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube are available, so just by selecting them, the video can be exported with the best settings. Finally, click the Export button to start exporting the video. If you want to export a square or vertical video for SNS such as Instagram, there are no presets available, so you have to set the settings yourself. For the format, select H.264. At preset, we can choose Match Source, High Bitrate or Match Source, Medium Bitrate. If you select this, the video will be exported with the same size as the size of the sequence. Finally, click the Export button to start the exporting progress. This concludes my explanation on how to export video for SNS. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.